Alright, this is problem 9.9 from chapter 9 of Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. And this is yet another preferred stock return problem. There's not a lot of preferred stock out there. Most companies do not issue it. It's used mainly by financial services company and utilities because as a general rule they can treat what looks to most financial analysts like debt. They can treat it as equity for regulatory purposes because they never have to pay back the principal, and they can suspend the dividend payments without triggering any defaults. So preferred stock's something of a cross between debt or borrowed money and equity. All right. Avondale has perpetual preferred stock with a par value of $100, quarterly dividend of $1, current price of $45. What's the nominal annual rate of return? Okay, so the dividend, the rate of return would be K equals to D1 over P0 plus G and G0. Okay, so D1 would be, if it pays a quarterly dividend of $1, that's 4 times a year, that'd be $4. It has a price today of $45, and the long-term growth rate is 0%. All right, same dividend each and every period. So to solve for the rate of return, it would be D1 over P0. Again, I just go through the mechanics on this just to keep it consistent with the other model that we use, but it's dividend, annual dividend over current price, and that's how you get the rate of return for preferred stock. Now, the nominal annual return, that's simply if it's paying you, essentially the rate of return is on a quarterly basis. This is an annual number. And if we look at this on a quarterly basis, it's actually paying 2.22% per quarter. And we remember from our earlier days that we have an effective rate, effective annual rate for things that pay more often than once a year. And by the way, preferred stock does typically pay 4 times per year. So the effect formula in Excel equals effective rate is the nominal rate for the APR, comma, and then the number of periods or payments per year. All right, so to solve for part B, the annual rate, and it pays 4 times per year. So the effective rate is a little bit higher simply because of the magic of compounding. So the answer to part A is 8.89%. The answer to part B, the effective rate, 9.19%.